As part of the 482 program, if you stop working or cease employment for whatever reason, for 60 days or more, you may have to leave Australia because you might be breaching the condition 8607, which is placed on every single 482 visa. Now, if you have breached that condition, it may mean that you are jeopardizing your future applications due to that breach. It's highly recommended that if you're unable to find a sponsor, you leave Australia or apply for another type of visa in those 60 days. This may change in the future based on the information that has been provided to us from the department as they look to change these requirements and make it easier for applicants to find new sponsors and give them an extended time frame for up to 6 months. We're still waiting for these to be legislated and come into effect.